The biology of species in the Antarctic is very different as the temperature of the water drastically changes their world. Even though it's currently summer in the region, the ocean is still below freezing.
2, 3.
Twice a day in the short Antarctic summer, even under the ice in winter, a team of divers heads out from the Rothera research station. Biologists so intrigued, they're willing to throw themselves into seas a degree or more below freezing.
The thing I love most about diving here compared to other places is polar giganticism. It's something that's always interesting to me.
Polar giganticism,
yeah,
what's
so
that?
Everything grows bigger, essentially. Back home, I work on amphipods, which are like maybe this big, but depending on which ones you're looking at here, they can be like this big. So it's pretty cool.
This is what you get if you ask a scientist a silly question. Life in the ocean here is abundant as it is absent from the barren glaciers of the continent. Yet even the experts admit they know so little about it.
There are 20,000 species of animal living on the seabed in the Antarctic.
20,000?
20,000. So it's really important that before many of them die because of the warming, we get a real understanding of the ability that they have to help us as society.
But as you'd expect, diving into the Antarctic Ocean is not without its complications. Just noodling around between these icebergs just to make sure there's not any leopard seals or orca killer whales. The divers survey sea life on the bottom and use camera traps to record free swimming species. The key thing is they've been diving here for nearly 30 years, the only way to understand how life is changing.
Because it's cold, the biology is very different. And it means that things live a long time. Some of them can't take a warming of 1 degree. The ecosystem balance is changing. The species numbers are changing. We know that. We don't know if it's reaching a tipping point and if and when it would fall over.
It lends a sense of urgency to their lab work. These starfish may take 3 weeks to breed in the UK, but can take up to a year to make baby starfish in Antarctica. How different a world will they grow up in? Another question, just how life manages in such cold places. Stick warm water animals in this tank and for various reasons, they don't work.
One of those is that the proteins in their cells all start sticking together. And human diseases, some of them are related to proteins being sticky, like Alzheimer's, and understanding why our animals don't have problems with their proteins sticking together will shed light on those mechanisms.
There are other reasons to be optimistic. Whales, like these humpbacks, are booming after whaling was banned and sea ice here retreats. Ocean life in Antarctica might help by absorbing more carbon as oceans warm. But it's warming here so fast, its slow, cold biology might struggle to keep pace. Tom Clark, Sky News, Antarctica.